Hey there YouTube, we just finished a install on a roof rack on this beautiful 2004 Land Cruiser with a mere 170 some odd miles on it. So it's just being broken in and finally getting its due. We took off the OEM roof rack, which I think can handle 120 pounds if. I've had a Thule on those roof racks before, and it starts to get the wind and starts to bounce up and down on the 395 going to Mammoth. Oh my God, scary times. So check out this roof rack. First of all, weld points everywhere. This is fully welded. When it comes delivered, we have to unpack it there and we put it up on the rack. You have 3 mounting points. You get this rail that goes into all the existing holes, so there's no drilling required. We have black caps, I'll show you in a second, that we cover the metal with. But look at that. I call it the baseball cap because it sits over beautifully just in line here. Nice badging showing people you're serious. But notice how the bars with, obviously you have tracks for carriage bolts going through all of these, through this channel, underneath as well if you're mounting some lights. Same thing, channels here. So you can use any aftermarket hardware. Some people, they get the base rack from ARB only to discover every mount package. They want to mount Max Tracks or the Action Tracks that I sell. Rome cases, Pelican, Zargas, everything they want to mount, they got to pay like 50, 60 bucks just for like 2 mounts. And next thing you know, you're like, wait a minute, I'm like $600-700 bucks in mounts versus this rack. It's universal. You can use any mount you like. So nice badging on the back too. We have it set up so that when this opens up, you have like a 1/4 inch before the back. There's the caps I was talking about. So we just got to put one on there. And this is adjustable. We have it set to the lowest profile, but you can mount this a little taller because sometimes people are putting stuff underneath, like you could put a table or whatever you want. Gray on gray. I love that. Reminds me of my LX 470. I had one called Tex because it came from Texas. I should have kept it. It was beautiful. It was gray interior and gray exterior. So nice. I think it was a 2006, so it had the VVTi. However, you get a 100 series, you go 03 and up, you have the 5-speed transmission, you get all the goodies. It's 06, 07, you get the VVTi. But yeah, look at that rack. Looks so good. Beautiful profile. Let's get that baseball cap look I was telling you about. See how that just hangs over the top? Because, obviously the roof slopes down, but this stays level. So we have lowest profile, and that's like one rack, or there's different holes to size it. It's just one from the bottom to keep that level. But there you have it. In my opinion, best roof rack in the market, fully welded. That's the way you want to go. So many people that have Prinsus come my way and they put one of these after they hit some fire roads or they're on the trail and they're like, the 80 some odd bolts holding that Prinsu together, that stuff gets loose. It just doesn't hold up. This is when you're serious. All right, so there you have it. Beautiful rig, beautiful rack. Hit me up if you're interested. Cruisingtheland@gmail.com and we'll get you outfitted. Drawers too.